two laws stand out as most impactful for employers in 2016. The changes to the California Fair Pay Act, which took effect on January 1st of this year, and the Healthy Workplace, Healthy Families Act, which provides for sick leave for employees, and that took effect on July 1st of last year. Now, under the former California Fair Pay Act, to establish a claim, an employee would have to show that she was being paid less than her male counterparts for the same work at the same location. Under the new amendments to the statute, an employee just has to show that she is performing similar work to her male counterparts in terms of skill, effort, and responsibility, but is being paid less. By way of an example to show how this works, let's say there's an employer who has a hotel in Los Angeles and a hotel in somewhere else in California where the cost of living is a lot less, and they're paying the employees in the hotel in Los Angeles a higher wage. A woman who was working as a housekeeper in the hotel outside of Los Angeles would not have been able to establish a claim under the former law by comparing herself to a janitor in Los Angeles. Different jobs, different location. However, under the new statute, she potentially could, because she's performing the same work or similar work as her male counterpart in Los Angeles. The Healthy Workplace, Healthy Families Act provides that employers have to give employees who work for them for 30 days or more 1 hour of sick leave for every 30 hours they work. And an employer can cap it off at 3 days or 24 hours per year. However, if the employee doesn't use that time during the first year, it can roll over into the second year, which an employer could then cap off at 6 days or 48 hours. The new regulations in California show the continuing trend of the legislature to provide protections to employees and to make it easier for employees to bring lawsuits against their employers. For example, under the California Fair Pay Act, we anticipate that there are going to be a spike in litigation on these claims because employers probably are not making sure that people who are in similar jobs under the law are being paid similarly throughout all their locations in California. So we expect an increase in litigation on those claims.